Okay, now I just restarted the video again. Sorry guys, the thing crashed, sorta. So the other video will be in front of this, a short little episode, part 1.
Yeah, but seriously, I'm trying. I want you to answer the question. Why don't you answer it?
Because I don't like doing it in front of people.
Well,
That
there's
sounds
no
wrong.
people.
People are gonna be watching it now, shush.
Yeah, but I want to know why you only cursed in front of me. Why you only cursing in front of me? Oh my god. Sorry, I had to say that.
Because I trust you.
Why, so you don't trust anybody else because I hate you?
Most of the people hate me. My life, people hate me. So, yeah.
That's my life. That's my life.
Hashtag life true goals.
Oh, shoot. Is this a ladder?
Yes, it's a ladder. We've been going to it the entire time.
No, I was trying to say if this was a ladder to another level. There's something, I don't know. To whatever we're looking for.
This is flipping, getting me on my
I just
nerves.
didn't get to finish my
Oh,
sentence.
but found lava.
Oh, feel sad for you.
I'm not in it. There's lava over there. Near where I'm trying to get to. Oh my goodness.
Wait, what are we trying to, what's our goal?
To get these chests and
The ender chest?
and these.
God, I don't even know where that is.
Anyway.
I see none of them.
Nothing. Yes. I think I did. Okay, good. I didn't. Huh?
What? Is it what?
Thought I got stuck. Wait, what?
Oh my God,
What?
I don't even know what that gun is. How am I supposed to do? I see none. Nothing.
Hold on.
I think this
Look up.
Samsung's our galaxy. Yeah.
Hi.
I'm trying to. Oh my God, doggy! Why are you outside? I hate you, OP sniping. I had a letter outside. For information, he's my brother.
Yeah.
I don't want no boyfriend. They
Yeah.
I know. They're gross. I hate them. All of them.
One YouTuber's boyfriend farted during one of her videos.
Oh my goodness!
Literally.
She probably broke up with him. Broke up.
Just for farting? Why?
Yeah, because it was a video.
People fart.
No, because it was in a video. I'm betting on it.
I'm dizzy now.
I'm dizzy too.
Oh, button.
Actually,
Oh, no, that's a sign on the other
I'm
one.
dizzy because I have sleep deprivation.
She's deprived of rest, of sleep. Her mom won't let her go to sleep.
No, it's not that.
Oh.
Because I can't fall asleep because I'm sick.
Oh.
And I never fall asleep. I don't even know how to sleep. I need sleeping pills. I really don't know how to sleep. It's just
Okay.
like, they say like, clear your mind, close your eyes, rest. How are you supposed to do that?
Dream of killing someone.
That's not going to work because you're thinking of something. I feel like I'm going to throw up soon, but I'm not. Help me,
Why is this so hard?
God.
I just want to like break the glass and just go through and take
I know,
it.
can I like break it?
Hold
No, I
on.
can't.
Hold
I
on.
hate you.
I found a
glass.
cheat. I found a cheat.
What?
See how you could see the flooring of the glass?
Alright, look to your left if you know what it is.
See this? What? This ladder?
Yeah. Ow,
Sorry.
don't touch
See the ladder right here?
Yeah.
We need to find that ladder and we'll be able to go to it.
Okay. So wait. So this is
Seems like it's downstairs. I'll look downstairs, you look upstairs.
okay. Upstairs, downstairs. It's not working. I don't know if it's an opening or. Oh shoot! I did end. I'm just like running in circles. Shoot. Going backwards. I found this ladder. That's not helping. Why is that ladder so hard to find? I found the ladder.
Wrong ladder.
Oh shoot.
It's all the way over there.
Ow.
Sorry, I'm not meaning to hit you.
I gotta hit you back because you hit me. So I gotta hit
Hold
you
on. Right here is the way down.
I don't think it's up here.
We're trying to find this ladder. So we have to go to the other. Wait, did you do it? Oh, I'd never. You know it. It keeps going. I found it.
I don't know where you are. Oh, it's
There we go.
Oh, there you are.
We got the gold, and now we need to get the ender chest, which it should be on this level.
Oh yeah, I saw the ender chest, so.
And it's all the way back there. It means. And
I'm like, there's ender chest. What the heck?
I'm so dizzy.
I know.
Like, wait. I guess we need to find the other ladder.
I actually thought that was like a suspender instead of a ender chest for a sec. Don't blame me. It wasn't until I saw the parts. So where is the ender chest now? I think it's on the bottom level. Pretty sure. Keep going down.
Nope, I'm going up.
I quit.
Wait a moment, I
Can't do this. I was already dizzy, but I'm more dizzy. I'm dizzy.
Oh! Found out.
What?
Okay, so go
I
all the way
really gave up. I'm not searching
to
anymore. I'm just looking.
beginning. So right there, we
Oh
need
my
to
god!
get.
I found a way to look like if there's an opening there.
Yeah, I already found it. Oh. That's the way I've been looking. The way you just said. Magical light.
So you don't know.
No, I do. Looking through the glass. Looking at the floor. You know where the glass is.
Yeah, exactly.
I found out how we're going to get the ender chest. The ladder, right here. Look on my screen. The ladder right there.
Look, I gave up already because I'm dizzy and I want to throw up and